how to fix fingerprint not showing in settings. So if you want to fix fingerprint not showing on your settings problem, then what you need to do is you just need something open up your settings at first on your device. After opening your settings, you need to just tap on About Phone. And from the About Phone, tap Detailed Info and Specs, which is right here. And then you need to scroll down and then tap on the kernel version multiple times until a hardware test menu opens. Now scroll down and then find the fingerprint sensor test. Once you find it, which is right here, you need to tap on it and then tap Enroll and try using your finger on the sensor. You need to tap on Allow. If the test fails, your device likely has a hardware issue. Now go back to your settings, scroll down and then tap on Apps, which is right here. After that, tap on Manage Apps, tap on the three dots which will be in the top right, and tap on Show All Apps. Once you've selected that, now in the search bar, you need to search for fingerprint test. Once you find it, tap on it. Now tap on Clear Data, which is on the bottom, and then clear all of your data. Once you've cleared your data, you need to tap on OK and then select Clear Cache and clear all of your cache. After that, reboot your device. After rebooting, you need to open up your settings again and then go with password and security, and you'll find the fingerprint option right here. That's how you can fix fingerprint not showing in your settings. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.